Today I want us to talk about this app. On this app you can play games and get money. I saw some of you guys, you said you want some apps that you can use to play games so you can get money. But on this one you will get free airtime and free vouchers, and then later on you can take those airtime and vouchers and exchange them for some real cash with your friends and family, guys. So we spoke about this before, but I want us to talk about it again because there are some changes. So if you want to play games and get some money, this one is for you. So before I start, I just want to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and on my next video you get it. Shout out. Okay guys, the name of the app is Maholla. So as I said, we spoke about this app before, but if you really want to sign in, the link will be in the description. The first link in the description, click on that link, then create an account. So guys, previously there was some option right here, like we were able to get points by scanning till slips. Like you scan till slips and get like 20 points, 30, 50 depending on the store, right? So if you check it out right here, and thousands more points, right? This is by referring friends, right? You can see right here, if you want to play games, right, this is the only option that they have. Right, you're gonna click on this option right here, right, and then click on play now, right. This is the only option of getting points if you don't want to refer friends, or if maybe you don't like it, there's no people that you can refer, right? So right here you will see the different games, right? You'll see different games, right? Active. So I used to play games before, but like that was a long time ago. So you can see these are the games that you can install, play them, and then get more points, guys. So right now I do not have these games, I do not have them, but it's easy, guys. You just click on play now, right? Play now, and then it will take you to Play Store. Then you install the game, then you start playing to get more points. So as you can see right here, right, the top users, right, weekly, monthly, all time, right? So on activity right here, right, on activity, this is where you see activity, right? As I said, I used to scan some till slips, right? So I do not know why they are not appearing right here. We say 6 months. So let me see. Okay, I think I cleared my points, because there was a time I was like I couldn't even redeem my points. So guys, here's the great part, right? I love this part, right? On this part right here is where you will redeem your points, right? See right here, they have one voucher at time, take a lot on all these other vouchers right here, right? So as I said, guys, you can get money, right? All you have to do, you just have to take the take a lot voucher, right? To go to take a lot, redeem it, then after that you just request some refund to your account, right, guys? So that's so simple, guys. So right now I want this one right here, so I don't know if they will unlock it. So I'm about I think this one is 500, so I'm about like less than 8,000 points away to unlock it, right? I want this one 500 right here, so I can buy something or take some money to my account on take a lot, right? So right here on profile, this is where like you just have to make sure like you save your details, right? Even make sure you are using this version, right? Make sure you are using this version, right? And guys, you can even do some surveys, right? Do some surveys so you can get more points, guys. So guys, this app so easy, guys. You play games, you answer some surveys, then get more points, and then guys you'll be able to redeem those vouchers, guys. As I said before, we have more apps that we want to drop, guys. Make sure, if you didn't subscribe, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also make sure that bell icon is on, so every time when you drop a video you do not miss, right? Make sure you test out every app that we drop, right? And I always say, like, if I'm reviewing some app or some website, I say I'm reviewing, but this one I'm not reviewing. I know that this one is legit, this one is paying, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to make money by watching videos, watch this video right here.